we have discussed how the minister can move in the last episode. Now I am gonna tell you the power difference. Wherever the minister is, he can move or vertically or horizontally. So that does not change. So the power changes only with respect to the diagonals. It is same as the camel. See here, if it is over here, it can cover 8 blocks, excluding these. We are checking only the difference in diagonal power. If we are here, 2 blocks are added, and if we are here, 2 blocks are added, and so on. Now I'm gonna tell you about the placements. The pawns or the soldiers should be placed in a line from second from us, like this. The black space must always be to your left side. Now, I did not explain about the king. I will do it after explaining you about the placements. King must, if the king is black color, the side in these two blocks, if this is black color, the black king should be placed. If you are having a white king, then this is white color, so your king should be placed over here. So if you have white king, it should be placed in the black spot. If you have the black king, it should be placed in a white spot. Minister's placement is opposite to the king. If it is a black minister, it should be placed in a black spot, and if it is a white minister, it has to be placed in a white spot. We have two camels in chess. One should be placed next to the king and other should be placed next to the minister. There are two types of camels. One is black and one is white. Black camels can only travel through black spaces and white camels can only travel through white spaces. We have two horses in chess in which both are placed on other sides of the camel. The two elephants have only the corner space left over and they have to be placed over here. The rules of power difference are only applicable if there is no obstacle and the board is clear. See now, the camel cannot be moved anywhere. Neither the elephant, neither the minister, nor the camel. There is only one power which can be moved when in the first move. It is the horse. Because it can jump through pieces, it can go like this or like this. The king. The king is a very lazy person. It can only be moved one block, either horizontally or vertically or diagonally. We have a move called check where king is threatened, which means king cannot stay at this place. Which means one or the other piece is targeting the king, like the horse, which is targeting in the L shape, or the camel, which is targeting diagonally, or the elephant, which is targeting vertically or horizontally. It can also be a pawn. Pawn can uh, pawn can make a check when the king is diagonal from it. If king is checked, then sorry, there was a disturbance. What I was saying is, if the king is threatened by a piece, then it might escape from it, or if it has a chance to kill it, it can kill it. If there is protection, which means this, if this is killed, it becomes, it the king again gets threatened, so this move cannot be done. In this case the king has to escape. If there is no chance of killing this or escaping, then if you have any other piece, then you can kill the threatening piece with it, like this, and now your king is safe. Checkmate. If the king is getting threatened by a piece, and if there is no legal move for the king, like it cannot be moved in this row anywhere, and also to this row because there are elephants. If you have any other piece like elephant or something which is targeting this piece, you can kill it. But if you have no other piece which is threatening these pieces, then you are checkmated. So here the king is captured and the person loses the game who has been checkmated. Stalemate. Stalemate is a case where king cannot be moved. If you have any other piece which can be moved, then you can move it. And if you have no other piece and the king is stalemated, then you have no choice. It's a draw. Here we have our minister, elephant, and a horse. King is not check or is not threatened, but he has no legal move. He cannot move over here or here or here in these two rows anywhere. And this. Here there is a horse. So king cannot be moved and there is no other character or coin of yours. So this is called a stalemate and considered a draw.